Welcome again to another part of our Boracay Island tour. We are here in Bulabog Beach, which is located at the eastern side of Boracay Island. It offers strong and consistent winds, perfect for kiteboarding and windsurfing, especially for the months of November to April. The beachfront is lined with cozy cafes, kite schools, and budget-friendly accommodations. While the sand isn't as powdery white as White Beach, the action on the water and the chill sporty atmosphere make Bulabog Beach a favorite for thrill seekers and those looking for a more relaxed, authentic Boracay experience. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
So, dito naman tayo sa Bulabog Beach. Mapa-break po kayo. Bakit kaya Bulabog? Bakit Bulabog? Bulabog kasi mabulabog ang tagat. Bulabog Beach. Bili daw muna siya ng taho. Sige. Sa taho. Champion na yung sinunod dito. So dito tayo sa Bulabog Beach na very known for kiteboarding. Mga kite nila. Ang ganda, diba? Masarap na hangin. Puro mga kite siya sa ibabaw ng dagat. Ang ganda, oh. Bye, Bulabog Beach. So, pupunta na naman kami sa last destination. Okay, bye, Bulabog Beach. So, Bulabog Beach. Kasi bulabog ang hangin. Bye! Balik na kami. Asan siya? So, balik na kami ulit sa aming sasakyan.